Dismantle all tires and put it at safety place. Lift the car to the same level of the wheel center and lathe driver. Dismantle bolts from brake caliper and hang it by using X-hook to avoid the damage of oil pipe during working. Checking the wheel bearing gap distance and checking the brake disc thickness under the manufacturer's specification. Fit the rubber ring onto the outer edge of the brake disc to limit the level of vibration and noise. This is very important. Mount the drive adapter on one of the wheel nuts. Fit on the universal slide mounting on the brake caliper and check the bracket hole with threaded and without threaded. Tighten bolts to not over 50 mm. Use a proper tool to clip the brake disc and move the disc by hand. Mount the universal slide mounting clip onto brake disc and tighten all bolts by hand. The universal slide mounting clip should be moved freely in and out on the disc by hand. Disc lathe alignment should keep in line of the disc center axis to avoid cutting spur fall to the lathe during operation. Use a long hex key to tighten bolts on mounting clip and make sure that all bolts are not touched with the surface of the disc. Adjusting the driver unit on stand and make sure that the disc and driver unit are at the same level alignment. Put drive pole into adapter. Turn out protect cover. This is emergency power switch. Switch on drive unit power. Switch on the driver unit, that is switch off power supply before selecting forward or reverse running. Determine the correct rotation direction of the drive unit. See arrow on the brake lathe. Turning the hand wheel by hand until lathe cutter contact the top of the disc on the surface. Or switch on the lathe and moving the cutter until here the lathe cutter contact the surface of the brake disc. Turning hand wheel manually on lathe clockwise and cause cutter slide in on the surface of the brake disc. The marking on the hand wheel represented 0.05 millimeters every step. Sliding the cutter until all spur removed. One click equals 0.05 millimeters. Maximum of 4 clips. When using the positive angle tool bit, Slide the cutter to the maximum distance and lock it in position mean close to the center of the brake disc. Select reverse turning on the selector switch. Power on again and using automatic mode, and the cutter will slide backward until reach the edge of the brake disc. Automatic gap back and cutting. Check inside and outside of the brake surface on marking completely. Repeat the machining one more time if necessary. Fit caliper and pendule on. Torque all the wheel nuts back.